Hey Twinkl parents, today we are celebrating Ramadan with this quick setup. Start by writing Eid Mubarak, which means Blessed Eve or Happy Eid, in the centre. I've then used homemade coloured rice. I've chosen blue and purple. You can find how to make coloured rice in the next video. Now it's time to add some gold glitter. I've chosen two resources for this activity tray. The first is this Ramadan flashcards. This resource contains words and pictures with items associated with the Muslim festival. The second resource is the Ramadan lantern number matching game. I've chosen to hide the tea lights under the coloured rice for the children to find. And there you have it, a quick activity to set up at home to celebrate Ramadan. And don't forget to check out the Twinkl Parents YouTube channel for more activity tray setups.